The CEOS database timeline generation tool helps to visualize measurement continuity in support of future planning. Timelines can be generated to help understand current and planned observations and identify potential future gaps. Timelines can be generated for both measurement categories and detailed measurements, as well as for a specific agency. The measurement categories represent subsets of the main domains of atmosphere, land, ocean, snow and ice, and gravity and magnetic fields, while the detailed measurements provide a more focused view, for example, sea level or land surface temperature. Agency timelines list the missions planned for a given CEOS agency. The timeline generator's multiple options allow users to create a timeline filtered by mission status, ordered by the launch date of individual missions, or grouped by mission series, for example, the GOES ABI series for sea surface temperature. Mission series can also be collapsed to a single bar to show continuity. In addition, users can download the information to work with it in their own environment using the Export Data to Excel tool. They can also save a high-quality image of their timelines for further use, using the Save Timeline as Image function. Explore the CEOS database timeline generation tool and more at database.eohandbook.com.